Unit 4, Lesson 5. Listen. Part 1. Hello? Slimani 3127496.
Oh, hello. Is that Mr. Bakir?
Speaking. And is that Ben?
That's right. I'm calling about my trip to Slimani. Haval asked me to call from Erbil.
Ah, yes. But I'm afraid he isn't here right now. He's with his aunt, and they're food shopping for this evening. But I can take a message.
Thank you.
Wait, let me get a pen and paper.
Well, you see, there's a small problem.
Oh dear. You're still coming, I hope.
Oh, yes, but...
Part 2. Wait, let me just make a note of the time now. It's, 4:45, 4:45. Now, what's the problem?
The car broke down.
Oh, no. What happened?
Yes, the engine suddenly went dead while we were driving along the main road near Accra.
Where exactly did it happen?
Near Accra.
Right. So, the car broke down near Accra. What happened then?
Well, people were very kind. Several cars stopped, and people suggested different things to try to help. But the engine stayed dead. Then a big van pulled us to a car place in Accra. They looked at the engine there and did some clever things, and 4 hours later the car started again. That was great, but we were very late. We arrived 5 minutes ago at 4:40, and so we missed 2 buses from Erbil to Slimani.
So the car started again, but you missed 2 buses. 2 buses? Poor you.
Yes, well, I'm waiting at the bus station now. I'm waiting for the next bus at 5:20, and I feel terrible. I'm really sorry about this.
It's not a problem. So, you're waiting for the next bus at 5:20, 20 minutes past 5.
That's right. And they say buses take about 3.5 hours to get to Slimani.
Yes, they usually take about 3.5 hours.
So I hope to reach Slimani at about 8:50.
Reach Slimani at about 8:50, 10 to 9.
That's it. And I'm really, really sorry to be so late.
Oh, that's all right. These things happen, but thanks for telling us. So, now, we can plan to meet you at the bus station at 8:50.
Thank you very much. It's very kind of you.
You're very welcome. And by that time, I hope you'll be very hungry. You see, you're going to have a big traditional Kurdish dinner.
Wow! Fantastic!
Unit 4, Lesson 5, Pronunciation. Part 1.
Happened.
Stopped.
Suggested.
Stayed.
Looked.
Started.
Arrived.
Part 2.
Happened. What happened then?
Stopped. Several cars stopped.
Suggested. People suggested different things.
Stayed. But the engine stayed dead.
Looked. They looked at the engine.
Started. The car started again.
Arrived. We arrived at 4:45.
Unit 5, Lesson 1. Listen and do. Hello and welcome again to Science Now. This week, we're going to look at space. First, we're going to talk about communications satellites. They're the ones that are out there in space 36,000 kilometers above Earth. They receive thousands of signals a second. TV pictures, phone conversations, everything. And they send them right round the world, day and night. Secondly, we're going to have a look at the new International Space Station. This has been a huge project, and a lot of different countries have helped to complete it. We're going to talk about the spacecraft that have carried the sections of ISS into space, piece by piece. And we're going to discuss life for the people on ISS as they fly in orbit around Earth 400 kilometers up at the edge of space.